Get ready for 5 crazy true stories. You won't believe. These sound fake, but trust me, they're 100% real. Napoleon once organized a rabbit hunt, but instead of fleeing, thousands of bunnies charged at him. Imagine the Emperor of France being chased off by rabbits. Napoleon versus rabbits, 1-0. In 1932, Australia declared war on emus and lost. Yep, machine guns couldn't stop these feathered foes. Emus. 1. Humans. 0. Ancient Egyptians had a wild pregnancy test. Women urinated on wheat seeds. If the seeds sprouted, pregnancy confirmed. Science says it actually worked. After Einstein died, a doctor secretly stole his brain. He kept it in jars for decades. Einstein's brain, a shocking twist. And get this, Romans used urine as mouthwash. They believed it whitened teeth. Ew, the world is full of crazy facts. Which one shocked you the most? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more insane facts.